Meaning of disestablish.
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 Disestablish. The term disestablish means to eliminate or abolish the official status of a particular institution, particularly one with ties to the government or state. This often involves removing legal or financial support from the institution, effectively making it no longer recognized by the government as a valid entity. The result of disestablishment is that the institution loses its privileged status and becomes subject to the same laws and regulations as any other private organization or individual. This can have significant implications for the affected institution's power and influence.